Did you find our place?
I'm joining Anton or Elix Blocks, which plays Minecraft. Okay.
Okay.
Here's his voice. Speak.
Low, bro.
Bro. Okay.
Sorry, Dad. It's my fault. It's my fault. My fault. I am not operator. I am not operator.
Because you don't have cheats on.
Oh. Hold on. We need to set our spawn here.
Where?
Over here in our way.
Oh, that's like a piece.
This something.
Oh. Ang gagawin?
Okay, since I am operator,
Wait lang ah.
let me turn cheats on.
To show you operator. Only me. Only me, okay?
Really? Let me set the... Okay, this where I am is where our world spawns. Bro, you're nakakainis.
Oh my God. You're so nakakainis.
Let me turn something on.
You keep saying you're so nakakainis. Why are you saying that?
Keep inventory.
Yeah.
Show coordinates. Show days played.
You got 0 days. So we gotta start. Come on, go.
Come on. Bro, give me wood. Let me get some wood. Where though?
Sorry.
Why you leave?
I didn't left. No, if you kill me, I will kill you. Or I will live. Don't kill me.
Hindi, try lang kasi natin kung napunta nga ba talaga dito yung world spawn natin. Blah. How many hearts do you even have? Bro, let me kill you.
Bro, look what you did. Now where is it? I did it again. Find my oak planks.
Bro, it's keep inventory. You won't lose your item.
No, get the oak planks.
Okay.
Find the oak planks. Oh my God.
Where did you spawn?
Over here.
Ibig sabihin, nag-work ka rin.
I need charger. Niga.
You want oak planks, but there's only birch planks.
Okay then.
Saan tayo?
Dun. What the heck?
So, dun.
Nandito din yung charger ko.
Ayun, oak.
Where are you?
Wait, I'm getting birch. I mean, oak. Every Minecraft video is only 25 to 29 minutes long. Or even 30 minutes. So, I guess our only goal is to do something. Blah, 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 blah.
Ready for battle.
Wait for me. I'm getting oak logs. Next time we might do a speed run, right, Alex? A speed run where
Wait.
we speed run
I
the
can't
game.
touch the ground.
Okay, this is good. 10, right? Uy,
Help me.
Philippines. Come on, let's go back to our base.
The aircraft 11. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry, I found the iron.
There's literally iron at our base.
Come here. I'm getting some of these. Ooh.
Ay, huwag ka ha.
Yeah.
Kaya naman ang ganyan ang tingin.
It takes me forever.
No, you wanna.
Bro, I can't.
Come here.
Wait lang. I can ask this.
Oh, did you get oak planks?
Yeah.
Don't
And
place it
light.
right there. You place it over here.
Bro, I literally got light for the base. Kala ko oak planks. Ito balcony. This could be our balcony.
Kahit ano, basta ma-close lang natin to.
Sorry. Yeah, yourself.
Don't let me in.
What?
Never mind.
Just go out the just go in the other way.
Oh no, you and you're dead.
What?
You're dead.
What the hell happened?
You stupid baby zombie. The baby zombie. Baby dropping needy lonely. kayo. No, kayo.
Finally, you killed it. I
Anton,
was getting...
Anton,
amin na
baba
yan.
yung character mo.
Akin na yun, Anton.
Okay, I'm gonna close this.
Bro, don't close it. That needs a door.
No. 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 No.
Said door.
Door.
Anton, here.
You heard me? Hey.
I gave you a sword.
Thank you for the sword.
Yeah, I'm making the door now.
Boom! Sakala. Boom! Sakala. Ay, susumbuhin kita, kuya. Hindi mo ako pinapairam.
Amin na uli yung computer. Tapos, kahit nasa akin na yung computer, pati yung sweater, nasa akin pa rin to kasi akin talaga to. Tapos, kailangan kita pairamin. Aray ko.
Papairamin mo ako.
Hindi. Sa akin. Later. Mamaya.
Okay, I'm gonna get fuel.
Fuel? Bro, what's fuel? What is fuel?
Fuel, you idiot fools.
Bro, we need to block this.
What did you do?
We need to block this.
Okay, I get it. How about this place? It's this place now.
Bro, I'm gonna die before I even get this. Wait, let me just collect that. Anton, you're gonna die.
I'm drowning. Take a food.
Just die, so you have... Anton, are you even collecting these?
He's not even collecting them. Bro.
I'm dead.
Put the door.
Doon, likod ko. Asan ang panghampas mo? Iwan.
Ah,
Ano nga? Pati yung... Ano, tari ko iwan.
what?
Anton, dapat kuya Yuan.
Bakit?
Diba kuya?
Oo.
I-set mo rin dito yung...
Set the world spawn point. World!
Kasi napupunta
Okay na.
Okay, this is enough.
Anton, wag ganyan!
This is enough. I mean, never mind.
Hindi kasi ganyan. Kinalculate ko to para perfect na magiging perfect staircase.
Oh, sorry.
Out. Where did I go?
Boom, sakala, kala, boom, sakala.
Ako na magmamine.
Sakala, kalap. Sakala, kalap. Sakala, kalap. Boom, sakala, kala. Boom, sakala, kala. Tumatay ka na.
I'm coming. Why is the door here?
Alam mo, may nakasira ng door. Dito namatay.
Oh, okay. Let me go out. What time is it? Is it still night? I need to get food. I'm gonna get food for all.
Na kailangan ko tanggalin tong mga torch. Kamagalala.
Saan? Sa mines? Kung sa mines, baka masakapak kita. Hala siya. Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Anton, di ba may pinapakuha sa'yo ate mo? Anton? Ha? Anton, I found a mini ravine. Uy! Wait. Anton, kuhain mo na yun. Baka mapagalitan ka pa. Kunin mo muna. Sige, ako na. Anton! May iron, may ano ka? Pickaxe?
Yeah?
Aling klaseng pickaxe? Stone?
Oh.
Alika rito, teleport lang kita. Bilisan mo! May iron kasi eh. Ano?
Ano ako?
Ha?
Dahil.
Ito, tingnan mo sa likod mo.
Oh!
Bilis, nag-explore lang ako.
Back up. I'm
Bilis.
lagging.
May mini ravine, tapos bigla akong nakakita ng iron.
Be here, okay?
Yes. Tapos kuhain mo na yung pinapakuha ng ate mo. Anton. Ano, nakuha na lahat? Nice. Ngayon,
Now, how do I get back there? Wait lang, kailangan ko nito makakuha na to. Ano mo yung foul?
I don't have pickaxe.
Pickaxe. Gawa ka. Sabi na nga ako, sobrang dami pa. Mag-e-end ba ito? Tintik na yan. Daming cola. Mag-e-end pa ba ito?
Anton, kuhain mo na yung ano ng ate mo. Anton, mapapagalitan ka pa.
Wait lang, sobrang daming cola.
Ako na dyan. Bigay mo sa akin yung ano. Yung pickaxe. Ako na dyan. Ay, Anton. Grabe.
Mag-e-end pa ba ito o hindi na?
Hindi.
O di ba naka 64 gold na ako?
Ay, grabe. Meron pa. Wala na, wala na.
Paano naman ako makakaalis?
Sige, ako na bahala dun. Kuhain mo na yung ano ng ate mo. Oo nga pala, may call pa dito.
Anton, wala ka ba kayong balak sumunod?
Ayun ba?
Yung ano, relaxing ano.
Paano mo? Ano to? Sabi mo na
Ano na, Anton? Tara na.
Paano napunta dito?
Tineleport kita. Nakalabas ako, tapos tineleport kita. Uy, Anton! Look at this.
Anton, lang kasi mo ako natidali.
Why'd you kill it? Why'd you hurt it? It's a puppy.
Wait, pinapatay kasi ako.
No, it's not hurting you.
It's killing me.
It's only hurting you because you hurt it. Bro. Teleport me to base.
Ano ba yung nandito ako? Nag-teleport ako dito.
Baka kasi alam ko na. Wait lang. Halika rito. Lang settings. Nasa game. Ito, spawn radius. Hey, mali. Yan, okay na. Okay na, hindi ka na magiging ganun. Try mo mamatay. Yun nga pala, Anton, wait lang. Nakahanap nga pala ako ng, ano, hindi pala nawawala. Wait lang, nawawala. AFK lang muna ako. Hantay namin na yung iron. Kukuk. Yung iron. Lulutuin ko na.
Okay, kanino yung 4?
Sa akin. Sa'yo na lang pala. Akin 3 lang naman
I
kailangan.
need 4. Mataas something. Okay, baba, magka-underground lang. Bakit walang sound? Okay, wala na akong pickaxe, bro. Limit mo yan, sasagot. Kailangan ko ng stick. Where are you? Where are you?
I went exploring. Don't worry, I'm gonna come back. I have a pickaxe. Don't worry. I made a pickaxe just in case makakita ko ng iron.
Okay. Tapos na ako. Kuha mo na lang yung for beauty. Meron kang stick.
No. Uy.
Wait, gawa tayo ng cobblestone stairs.
Oo, wait lang. Pabalik na ako.
Meron lang ako 4. Yeah.
Sige, mag-create ka na.
Yeah. Ba't nandiyan ka sa ilalim? Yeah.
Back.
Back.
At nga pala.
I'm stuck.
Okay, wait lang. AFK lang. Nakahanap nga pala ako ng 8 na iron. I have 8 iron.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Nagkukok na. Kaya nga sabi ko, uy! Pagul. Anton, I don't have sticks. Do you have sticks?
Get out. Look. Sabi yung one. Yung pang-training na lang. Kung malala yun.
Kaya alam mo yung drill?
Oo, pero
Wala kayo na alam.
ewan ko, tayo ko yung siya nag-aayos ka ng mga pots.
Pinta niya na lang yung puputok sa akin. Wala yun na ngayon.
Anton, okay lang ba kumuha ko ng bed?
Kailangan na bed.
Sige, kuha na ako. Slash give at s print.
Can you help me out here, bro? Yo, give me some food.
Ito na. Oh, ito na. Sa'yo yung anong kulay? Anong kulay sa'yo?
Get out.
Ay,
Get out. This place is...
anong kulay sa'yo? Sige, pe-place ko lang. Let me craft some chests, no barrels.
Yo, give me one more spare. Oh, there's spare cobblestone.
Cobbel.
See?
Ay, hindi pala. Wait lang, dala. Cobble.
Cobele.
Cobble.
BB.
Cobblestone.
How do I spell stairs? Oh, nag. Kain na!
Hello, Nathan.
Kain na.
Hindi.
Kain na. Alam mo, kikreatin mo. You know what? Okay, we'll sleep.
Look, I'm inside your bed. I'm in my bed.
Get out, I'm gonna craft something.
Ano? Di ba lalabas?
Nah.
Kagaya.
Oh, sheesh. Wait. The time has passed. Sorry. The video is over. Now, Anton, lubas ka na. The cheats are only our secret. Please don't tell him. And the video is done.